Here we have the new Inzo H9 gaming wireless headphones. Again, all paper packaging, no plastics. The first thing we see is the enclosing box for the USB-A to USB-C cable and a bunch of papers. I guess user manual, warranty, and stickers apparently. Nice one. PlayStation themed coloring. Alright. Seem heavy. Not so heavy. The USB dongle. What does it say? Just the model number. That's pretty much it, what you get. Alright, let's see the ports and the buttons. So we have one input port for the USB-C charging. There's no headphone jack. Get some external, what is it, the mics for the ANC. We have on-off button, Bluetooth button, the volume rocker, and that's pretty much it. Nice soft cushions actually, same as the flagship headphones. Alright. Oh, it's not exactly the same mechanism as the flagship ones. Pretty flexible, not much creaking. Alright. Okay, there's a switch, that's how they mute, I guess. And the volume rocker. Right. Alright, that's it. Let's see how they sound and what the noise cancelling look like in a noisy environment then. Okay, so we're outside. Let's hear how they sound. Some passive noise cancelling. Active noise cancelling. Transparency. Okay, nice. Passive noise cancelling. Pretty good. Active. Transparency mode. Okay. Alright. Now let's go through the app. Well, there is only a Windows app. There is no Mac app so far, and it does pretty much anything that the headphones themselves can with a button, except for the fact that you can actually adjust the equalizer. That's pretty much it. Can adjust noise cancelling. You can adjust the balance between game and chat. What else? Yeah, you can play with the equalizer. That's a nice touch. Oh, you can check the battery level. That's good. That's good. There is no other way to check the battery level, by the way. Now on the flagship you can just click the button over here, the on-off button, and it tells you the battery level. It is missing. This feature is missing on these headphones. That's not nice. Oh, it says that it's connected via Bluetooth as well. In device settings, yeah, the same thing. Which controls you would like to have on the UI, and obviously yes, there is a software information. So this software information is for the headphones themselves, so you can update the firmware then. Well, that's good. There is no other way to update the firmware though, so obviously only on PC software you can do that. If you're on a Mac, well, you can still use them, but you can't update the firmware. And on Mac you can't really check the battery life as well. Not the battery life, the battery level. You can't check that. So what's the verdict? Well, the mic is not great, but they'll be able to hear you. The quality is really good in terms of sound. They're really loud. The passive noise cancelling is great. Active noise cancelling also really good. And they're super comfy. Absolutely comfortable. I've been staying all day with them, no problem whatsoever. Battery life, probably 2.5 days without the use of ANC. So that's aligned with their spec in general. Again, who can use them? A gamer can use them, no problem whatsoever. They will be here, it's not a problem. It's just the quality is not as great. 16 kilohertz sampling rate, well, that's not really good. And frequency response, well, between 100 and 8 kilohertz, something like that. 100 hertz, 8 kilohertz. Yeah, no, not great. Maybe they'll fix that in next iterations, but for first iteration, really good, quite good. And the battery state problem, it's, I guess they can fix that with the firmware upgrade. Maybe you're not gonna get the voice prompt, battery level high or battery level 75%, but they can come up with something. Maybe sharp beeps, 4 sharp beeps, 100%, 3 sharp beeps, 75%, something like when you click the on-off button, because right now you click the button, nothing happens. When you hold it, obviously they turn off. Well, overall pretty good, good one. Thank you.